So today I will show you how to reinsert the stem into the GS with 4.5XX caliber. Assuming you've taken off the back case off, which exposes the movement. This is the release button, so you need to press this while simultaneously pulling the crown out. So what I typically do, I rest the watch on a flat surface. I press that little button, and while it's pressed, I use my fingernail to get the stem out. So the stem is out. In order to put it back in, you shouldn't have any resistance. If you feel any resistance, that means it's not fully in. So I just jiggle it until it's about here. Now I know it's about to be inserted. And then again, while pressing this release button, I push the stem back in. The stem should go in fairly easy. If you feel a lot of resistance, I'll back out, reposition the stem, and try to push it back in while pressing this button. So after that is done, we can close the back case. I'm just using a piece of rodicle, and then to test it, we can see this is running. Let's test the hacking. Yeah, hacking's working. You can see that by looking at the seconds hands, it has stopped. And you could go through the position a couple of times just to make sure that the stem is seated. You don't hear a distinct click on this one because this is a brand new crown for this vintage GS. It was a new old stock, and it has a new gasket on the inside, so that's why you don't really hear it. But when you have inserted your stem correctly, you should feel the positions. That's it.